Some basic concepts of chemistry. Chemists study the properties and structure of substances and changes undergone by them. All substances contain matter, which can exist in three states: solid, liquid, gas. Matter can also be classified into elements, compounds, or mixtures. Element. An element contains particles of one type, which may be atoms or molecules. The compounds are formed where atoms or more elements combine in a fixed ratio to each other. Mixture occur widely and mainly, and many substances are present around us are mixtures. When the properties of substance are studied, measurement is inherent. The quantification of properties requires a system of measurements and units in which quantities are to be expressed. The scientific community has agreed to have a uniform and common system throughout the world, which is observed as SI units. The combination of different atoms is governed by basic laws of chemical combination. Law of conservation of mass. The law put forth by Lavoisier: matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Law of definite proportion. Joseph Priest. Given compound contains exactly the same proportion of elements by weight, also known as law of definite composition. Law of multiple proportion proposed by Dalton. If two elements combine to form more than one compound, the masses are one element that combine with the fixed mass of other elements are in the ratio of small whole numbers. For example, hydrogen and oxygen combines to form H2O, and hydrogen and oxygen again combines to form H2O2. In first case, this and this. So this ratio and this ratio is 1 is to. This is law of multiple proportion. This was proposed by Dalton. Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volumes. Given by Gay-Lussac, when gases combine or are produced in chemical reaction, they do so in a simple ratio by volume, provided all gases are at same temperature and pressure, in which hydrogen and oxygen combine to form H2O, and the ratio is 2 is to 1. This and this. So 100 upon 52 is to 1. Avogadro's law. Equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of volume. Is represented in equal volume of equal volume. This volume, this volume, and this volume produces this much volume. Means equal volume of hydrogen, equal volume of the hydrogen. Again, hydrogen is one pairing of molecule. In this shown is one pair of hydrogen. When we count these atoms, they are equal in number. Equality means one volume, one volume, one volume. So 2 volume of water vapor is formed by this much. Dalton atomic theory. Matter consists of indivisible atom. All atoms of a given elements have identical properties, including identical mass. Atoms of different elements differ in mass. Compounds are formed when atoms of different elements combine in a fixed ratio. Chemical reaction involve reorganization of atoms. These are neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Atomic and molecular mass. One atomic mass unit is defined as mass exactly equal to 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom.